गोयची राजधानी म्हणून पणजेची वळख 22 मार्च 1843 या दिसा पणजेक राजधानीचो मान मेळ्ळो। आज हे खबरेक 174 वर्सां जातात। 1952तली हॉटेल मांडवी आणि दामोदर मंगलजी बिल्डिंग सगळ्यात पोरणी। आदली पणजी आज उरूंक ना। मोठमोठ्या बिल्डिंगांनी पणजी शान वगडावन बसल्या म्हूण पोरणे पणजेचे साक्षीदार वास्को पिनो उलयता। महापौर म्हणटा पणजेची मुंबई जावंक जायना।
Panji with G, whereas now we tend to write Panjim with J or Panaji, but all of them refer to the same place, which was, as I said, a ward of the old agricultural village, Comunidad of Taligaon. But the main reason why they decided they would leave Old Goa and settle for another place, have another capital, was the constant threat coming from the Marathas. They decided to transfer the capital to Mormugaon, but it proved to be expensive, time consuming, and then they decided that they would occupy the southern margin of the Mandovi, that high-rise apartments should have never been authorized, because the high-rise apartments that came, not only quality-wise they are poor, but they even damaged the infrastructure of the city that was built by the Portuguese. And in Panjim, the first multi-storied buildings were the Mandovi, Hotel Mandovi, in 1952, and around that time also Damodar Mangalji building. If you see today, Panjim city, that the earlier footpaths built during Portuguese time lasted for decades, and these footpaths that are being built with blocks, you find that as the rains pass through the footpaths, the sand under the blocks gets washed away and the blocks collapsed. Now, when I look at very old photographs, I noticed that the tree coverage, greenery in Panjim was at least 4 times more than what it is today. So by all means, we must save the trees and the greenery that Panjim still has. My wish, I am 75 years old, my wish is that the young generation in Panjim will have a nice, very attractive city, very comfortable and safe from all points of view.
महापौर म्हणटा पणजेची मुंबई जावंक जायना.
I will form a committee of stakeholders, corporators, and we'll start the celebration for the full year. They will tell us what is to be done. We will involve corporate houses to extend their help, financial help for the 174th year. We will take the guidance, cooperation from the Chief Minister and the MLA of Panjim, also our panel leader Mr. Babush Munsarat, the Taligaon MLA who is also part of Panjim city, Jennifer Munsarat. All these people will be in the committee. It will be a high level committee. Migrants have come. People from different states have started coming to stay here and work here. So the atmosphere has changed, and I fear that one day Panjim might be like another Mumbai, where you don't find Mumbaikars anymore.
Bureau report Prudent.
आगोन काणकोणा बलात्कार करून खून केल्ले आयरिश टुरिस्ट बायलेची बॉडी जीएमसीन तिचे संबंधितांचे सुवाधीन केल्या। अरेस्ट केल्लो आरोपी विकट भक्तान 14 मार्चाक तिचो बलात्कार करून तिचो खून केला म्हूण ताची चौकशी चल्ल्या। भगत सध्या पुलीस कस्टडीत आसा।
फाटल्या सप्तकांत आगोन काणकोणा आयरिश टुरिस्ट बायलेचो खून जाल्लो। तिची बॉडी बुधवारा जीएमसीन निमणे संबंधितांक दिली। आयरिश आणि यूके दूतावासान केल्ले वेवस्थे प्रमाण 28 वर्सांचे ते बायलेची बॉडी मुंबय सावन आयलंडात तिच्या मूळ घरा पावयतले। काणकोण पुलिसांनी आतां मेरेन केल्ल्या तपासांत हे केशींत आरोपी आशिल्लो थळावो इस्टेशिटर विकट भक्तान तिचो बलात्कार करून खून केला म्हूण कळ्ळां. भगतान पुलिसां मुखार खंय गुन्यांवाची कबुली दिली. मुख्यमंत्री म्हणटा डीजी कडल्यान केशीचो चवकशीचो रिपोर्ट घेतलो.
More than one person is involved in the crime, and police have just arrested one and they're sitting tight. Have you called for the report?
From your information now, I'll ask them.
But your department should have.
I have already asked them. In fact, before even swearing in, I got the message. I talked with DGP, and they immediately carried out arrest.
Yeah.
After that, if you are telling me something, I will have to ask for the immediate report.
Because the person who
In next 10 minutes, they will get a call asking for all the details.
because this person who has been
तशें न्हय,
arrested.
तू कोणे तरी सांगल्या शिवाय इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळ्ळ्या शिवाय ह्यो गोष्टी कळना न्ही. बट आय कांट रिवील ऑल वॉट इज बीइंग इन्वेस्टिगेटेड टू यू दो आय न्हय. सो what they are thinking and what this, they can give me the brief.
I have my doubts because this person has a very strong criminal background. He has been, and he is a history seeker, and nothing was done about it. People had been approaching police and they had given a memorandum to South Goa SP a year ago to take action, but nothing happened, and that murder rape has happened. So somewhere the police have failed to act.
That aspect is a separate aspect. In this particular case, police has acted quickly because when I was not even sworn in, I got the message. I immediately spoke and said that they have to carry out immediate investigation, and by
And the
evening
fresh instructions will be given.
I will check up with them. I can't give instruction to IO without actually knowing what is the reality.
पुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.
मांद्र्या देऊळवाड्यार सांजे एक्सिडेंटात एकलो भुरगो सोंपलो. चिऱ्याच्या ट्रकान मोटारसायकलीक मोखली. ट्रक हांगा वेल्यान गेल्ल्यान दिप्तेश सावंत आगताक गेलो. ट्रक खंय रॉंग सायडीन येतालो. ड्रायव्हर पळो म्हूण लोक चाळवलो. ड्रायव्हराक अरेस्ट करात म्हूण लोकांनी 3 वरां रस्तो आडायलो. आमदार सोपटेन लोकांक समजयतकूच रस्तो क्लियर जालो. घेवया एक ब्रेक.